Today we will discuss about ultrasound. What is an ultrasound? Ultrasound is nothing but a sound. Property wise both are same. So when we will be defining the sound, automatically we are defining the ultrasound also. Now what a sound is or ultrasound is? Ultrasound is a mechanical longitudinal wave. So this is the definition of ultrasound and sound also. So ultrasound and sound both are property wise same. Only difference is the frequency. In sound we are having low frequency, which we will discuss later on, and in ultrasound we are having a high frequency, but property wise both are same. So this is the graphical representation of a sound or an ultrasound. Now how does an ultrasound works? So we will now in detail discuss about how the ultrasound is working. In a medical imaging technology, we are using high frequency sound waves and their echoes. We are using sound waves and they're bouncing back from the target, that will be echo. So we are using whatever we are sending and we are using whatever we are reflecting or getting back or bouncing back, that will be echoes. Now this technique is called as pulse echo technique. So whatever we are sending in the body, that is pulse, and whatever we are receiving back is the echo. So is the definition. The technique is known as the pulse echo technique. Now the same technique, this pulse echo technique, is used by bats, dolphins and whales. What for? To navigate in the medium. When a bat is flying, he is not seeing by his eyes, but he is navigating in the space by this ultrasound. By this ultrasound and by this pulse echo technique, a bat is making an image of what is there in the surroundings. And same is true for these dolphins and these whales also. They are sending the ultrasound wave, and when the ultrasound wave is hitting the target, in this given case a small fish which is at miles away from the dolphin or this whale, from this target, from this small fish, bouncing backs are the waves, and the whale is pinpointing from kilometers without seeing by using this pulse echo technique. And same pulse echo technique is used by the ultrasound machine also. Now by humans, this pulse echo technique, this ultrasound, was first introduced in World War II. What for? To locate the drowned submarines deep in the ocean. It was next to impossible to locate a drowned submarine in deep oceans without using this technique. They sent the ultrasound wave, and when the ultrasound wave is hitting a metal, it will bounce back from this metal. And if there is a ship over here, a drowned submarine in given case, it will bounce back from this particular point, not from here, not from here, and not from there. So they calculated the time when they sent and when they received. That way sending and receiving will lead to a lag, and the lag will be calculated how much is the target away from my point. Number one. Number second, they will calculate when we have sent and when we have received. That way they will calculate, they will pinpoint the target where our drowned submarine is. So using this pulse echo technique, we located the drowned submarines in World War II.